Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melina. I do videos about makeup, plants, my life, and travel. But today, we're gonna do some plant updates. Oh my god, you guys. So, these plants I've talked about before and they have grown. They have done stuff for me. Some good, some not so good, but they're still alive. So I can't wait to show you all the updates that I have. And yeah, if you're a planty person, you're gonna love all these updates. But before I start the video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you already fell in love with my personality, do follow me at Melina Glam on Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, and I believe that's it. But without further ado, let's begin these plant updates, these rare plant updates. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys don't mind me eating, but I'm eating a little Taco Bell. Okay, you guys. Oh my god, I don't even know which plant to start with. Okay, I'm just gonna pick one. My Philodendron, Florida Beauty. Oh my gosh, she is growing and growing and growing, and I kind of neglected her and she's still growing. So the latest update was she had 6 variegated leaves. Then it popped out with this non-variegated leaf and I was freaking out. I'm like, I'm about to chop it off. It gives me another green leaf. Well, lo and behold, it's green with a little hint of variegation. So I didn't cut it. So it has 1, 2, and then this one on the way, which I hope is variegated. I really hope it's variegated. But yeah, I say I neglected her because it had more roots than this, but they dried out because I didn't water it in time. So this plant is still growing, don't get me wrong. It's like growing really fast. The roots are attaching to the, I'm growing it in stratum and in leca. Stratum is volcanic rock from Japan, I believe, and it's used as fish substrate. I heard today actually from a Facebook post that you can get mealybugs in your roots now, so I'm kind of scared. So yeah, I'm gonna check it. Not right now, I don't want to disturb it. And she's also growing in leca, these little clay balls that I talk about all the time. I love them. Oh my god, is that a mosquito? Oh my god, or a fungus gnat? Probably is a fungus gnat. This lives in my cabinet. It gets really good lighting. I actually transferred it. I was watering it and I put it in my bedroom just to look at it, and I neglected it, so I'm putting it back in my cabinet because no, this is like a really expensive plant. It's like really expensive. So yeah, she's loving life. Like I said, I was scared because she was reverting to green, but no, she came back with some variegation. It's not this like beautiful like white a yellow creamy variegation, but it's like some spots that are variegated. But yeah, we'll take it. Hopefully the next one gets variegated too, so I'll keep you updated on her. But yeah, this is the Philodendron Florida Beauty. She's variegated, so yeah. Now gonna move to the next plant, you guys. It is so delicious. My next update. Oh my god, oh my god. So literally, I'm just gonna roll the clips of the befores and afters because this is crazy. This is like, this plant was touched by an angel. She was dying. like, I swear, she was like losing, she wasn't, what am I trying to say? Like, she was losing life. She was on its last fucking thread. Like, I believe I paid like $200 plus for this cutting. What is wrong with you? Why are you dying? If this was a plant, if this was a plant in a hospital, she was getting the fucking, what do you call it? When you're trying to revive a person, yeah, that shit. I can't think of it. Anyway, she was dying, but she found the light of the tunnel, and we're talking about my variegated alocasia fried deck, you guys. Oh my god. She had 4 leaves. I should have filmed it like 2 days ago. This was really green, but now it's like dying. But it's okay. Like, you held on really good. But look how big it's gotten compared to these baby leaves. She's happy. The roots are coming out from the bottom, as y'all can see. I think this one just, I think like the root system's not that big to support all these leaves, but she's still happy. Like, she's gonna live. It was down to like 2 leaves, 1 leaf. Oh my god, that shit was so scary. But yeah, I'm so proud of myself. As soon as because I remember repotting this with you guys, and when it was in sphagnum moss, I hated the sphagnum moss. I put it in perlite and stratum, and it's just loving its life. And yeah, it lives in a semi-hydro little setup, and then I have this on top. But I feel like the leaves are getting squished, so tomorrow for sure I'm gonna find it a new home. Like a little, what do you call it? Like a little, not a terrarium, but a little cloche. Or if y'all ever saw like Beauty and the Beast, you know how the flowers in the little thingy and that shit, whatever that thing is called. But yeah, this is my variegated alocasia fried. I have it in my IKEA cabinet as well. It has good morning sun. Yeah, all I can think of from this leaf becoming yellow is because the plant was producing a lot of energy to make these bigger leaves and keeping roots, so it just killed off this leaf, and it said, well bitch, too much leaves, a little bit of root, give me a break. So it killed this leaf, and it's taking the energy from it, so it's all good. I'm just like happy I'm not in the 1 leaf, 2 leaf like plant anymore. We got some big leaves and a huge leaf, and hopefully this sizes up. I'll keep y'all updated, and it's getting that fried egg, the fried egg characteristics. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. It's so pretty now. Like, wow, I did a good job. This requires a lot of humidity, as y'all can see. And yeah, oh my god, the leaves are literally like, I want to squish all little cuties. But yeah, you guys are getting so big. Okay, there. I'll keep it like that for now. Okay, that's my variegated alocasia fried egg. Now, you guys, I saved the best for last, you guys. So, y'all remember, you guys, she's in my intro. Oh my god, the one and only, my anthurium magnifico. Oh, don't drop my burrito. Look at those huge leaves. Ah. Okay, I wanted to show y'all that she's pregnant with a new baby leaf. Look at that. Look at, oh my god, I don't want to break it. Look at the leaves. So this is gonna get huge. Oh my god, these are kind of sharp. Oh my god. So this is how a baby leaf looks. It like, for anthuriums anyways, it looks like a reddish brownish color, and they come out really, really small, even smaller than this. and then they grow and turn into this like more velvety, like bigger leaf. First it's really glossy and then it gets velvety. Like, what the hell? That is so crazy, you guys. Yeah, she has a new leaf, and like I feel like this plant is maturing so good, and when it puts out a new leaf, it's like a whole show. Like, oh my god. She lives in a semi-hydro setup as well in leca, and I top it off with some sphagnum moss, and I wrap it to like keep the humidity up. And yeah, she is happy, you guys. Look at her, she's huge. This is my anthurium magnificum. She lives outside by my window with my LED lights, and yeah, the humidity is not really that high, but I feel like she's established, she's mature, so she doesn't care, she's thriving. And yeah, this is my anthurium magnificum. It's definitely my favorite anthurium in my collection because she just matured really fast in less than a year, and she's just so pretty. Oh my god, look at her. I feel like this would be a beautiful thumbnail. This is my last plant, anthurium magnificum. She's so pretty. She's in my intro, and she's pregnant with a new leaf. And I'll keep you updated to see how big it is. Hopefully it's bigger than this one. It's bigger than, definitely bigger than my head. Oh my god. So yeah, those are my plant updates for my little plant. If you like my plant updates, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna finish my Taco Bell. And yeah, if you want more updates, let me know. But yeah, I'll see you. Oh my god, my hair. I'll see you on my next video. Subscribe. You know you want to. Bye, you guys.